Assalamu alaikum. I'm Jawad Ahmad, and we are present in our next economics basics class, in which we are going to study different topics today. First of them is opportunity, cost, or trade-off. Trade-off. So, what is trade-off? Scarce resources means limited resources results in problem of choice arises when you have a limited resources. Then you have to make different choices or bifurcation into first priority item and the next priority item. So scarce resources result in the problem of choice arises when we choose one thing, we lose the other one. This is called trade-off, trade-off or selection. So it is the definition of trade-off. So what is trade-off? Limited resources result in the problem of choice arises whenever we choose one thing, we ignore the other one or lose the other one. The act of losing one thing for in order to gain other thing is called trade-off or selection. So the thing that we are losing have also some economic value. Lose item also have some economic value. That need to be sacrificed in order to get benefit from other item. This act is called opportunity cost. The what is opportunity cost? It is the value of next best alternative, that is sacrifice to obtain from other good. The value or the cost is called opportunity cost. For example, you have 100 rupees in pocket. You want to watch a movie that will give you satisfaction 10%. Similarly, you can also bought a book and satisfaction or utility from it is 30%. So therefore, you will prefer 30% benefit in respect of 10%. So in order to get 30% benefit, you have to lose this 10% benefit. So the benefit lost is called opportunity cost. So in the class, we have studied only two topics. First is what is trade-off, and second one is opportunity cost, which is the it is the value of next best alternative that is sacrificed to obtain from other thing is called opportunity cost. So let's meet in the next class with next concept. Thank you for your time.